Welcome back to the channel. I'm JLP. If you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now the Jamaican government has been exposed after being blasted for not making enough investment into agriculture. The Jamaican government went public and stated that their new focus is agriculture. Now the Jamaican farmers are exposing the government for giving land allocated to farming over to a new project. That project being the construction of a new prison on Jamaican soil. Is it the same prison that overseas entities, namely the UK, wanted to build on Jamaican soil? Something which the Jamaican people disapproved of. Did these contracts secretly get signed? Maybe we can hear what going on and they will continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
We have protest about the land separation. Because we depend the answer we are prisoner, we depend the land and them are relocating. Minister of Security and Mr. Shukir come and have a talk with them and say them going relocate with. And them have 170 acres. We are created, them cut it down to 125. Them come back then say 120 and we still agree. And now them are give 60 acre land. And I divide it up by 5, 3, 2.5. Can't work. And when we got the government institute and go look alone, then give me a piece of paper where can't represent nothing at the bank. But the bank say yes, you can't have the logo on it, but we have to get them signed by the SCD department. That Mr. Shuki have to sign it. And under 5 acre, no loan. 5 acre and over, we can't get the loan from them. So why them want to cut it down to 2.5 acre? A pass program them might bring me back to, and we don't want a pass program.
My name is Marcus. I'm the People's National Party caretaker for the constituency.
What's your involvement in the demonstration here today?
We'll have a very good relationship with the farmers. Very frequent. I'll get some sweet potatoes. I'll get some sweet pepper. I'll get some sorrel. I've some sorrel in my fridge right now. So I'm just here standing in support with the farmers to challenge and to battle against what is happening here. Farmers who usually occupy 4.5 acres are being, limited to 2.5 acres, while we still have people on 700 acres planting just maca tree. That can't work. More land for small farmers, right? More land for small farmers. We want to have a conversation with the Minister of Agriculture to see where we're going with this. Small farmers need more land.
They dislocate me half of the land. And them not provide no land for me. So if you have a this thing with farm, who produce? No matter how minimal a small farmer produce, he still a produce and a man will have 700 acres and not work it. That's the point what we are saying.
So are they doing any assessment to find out, because I remember one time when Ardesha was minister, he said that he realized that person get a lot of land and they are not doing any farming and going to revisit. So who not doing no farming, they are going to take back those and put it to person who are doing farming. So you want them to do that?
They revisit it, yes, because they take it from we where I do and give to the people and I do. They revisit, of course.
So what would you like to see? What would you like to see done? Equality we are dealing with. Everybody. So small farmer, for example, all of us say that you give us 120, where Mr. Shakir said that in an interview on television. That was saying, but after the information left his office, he disseminate again before we reach it. Because everything cut off. Might be all him don't aware. Might be Mr. Shakir not even aware what's going on. So my final question to you want Mr. Flightweed because
to interfere, come back and start out this for us.
And my final question. How much farmers you say? 21?
21.
How many are going to really plant something right now?
All of us planting.
All 21 farmers?
All 21 farmers. All of them are here, but all 21. Every week we give to England. But we don't have
an next job, We don't have no work, our job. So if we don't plant, we suffer.
I understand with less than that now because you did have some irrigation system and have to pull it up and you're waiting, to some money to pump in for investment. So with less than 5 acres, how difficult it's going to be for you, to get investment?
One of the good things about it,
if small farmers should get benefit, it rather have a classification of how you can get benefit from Ministry of Agriculture. The requirement is 5 acre here for crops and three crops and vegetables. So if we don't have that amount, there is no benefit.
Can't believe the blood.
Now also making headlines today. 2 teens, 2 students on their way to school lost their lives in a fiery collision that took place in Petersfield in Westmoreland. Now what's strange about the scenario is that the 2 teens were actually traveling together on a motorcycle. The oldest being 16 and the youngest being 14. 16-year-old Ajani and 14-year-old Zakil. Both students of Petersfield High School in the Westmoreland Parish and both from Darlington, a district in Westmoreland as well. Now the report being given is that they were riding on the bike to school when they collided with another vehicle. It is said that the collision occurred at about 50 minutes past 6. The teenagers were traveling on the motorcycle heading north along the Petersfield main road when they reportedly lost control of the bike while maneuvering a corner. The schoolboys collided with a motor car, which then caught ablaze. Now, despite the videos were circulated social media with the students on the streets, the police were summoned and the boys were rushed to hospital, and that is where they lost their lives. Now, everybody asks, how them get them hands on a motorcycle? Is this their regular mode of transportation to school, so that them can reach school on time? Definitely a sad situation, especially for parents who know so them youth them left out for go to school and never even actually make it to school, and them now come home back. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Of course, clearly, this was an unlawful operation of a motorcycle, meaning none of the students were at the age to even have a learner's permit. I think gone are the days when you can use a learner's permit for operate a motorcycle. You have to get a license for operate a motorcycle. I'm doubt the oldest one had a license to do this. But it's still not changed the tragic fact though. See, at school them go on the bike, lose control of the bike. And the fact that other students are also there. You know, students at the school are going to need counseling. It happened on the Petersfield main road. And them attend Petersfield High School. So of course you'd have other students on their way to school. So the whole of this unfold. Talk to me in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, let's pass through. But click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon. And of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning. And also join the discussion in the comment section of me 24/7. It never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reason via the comment section. Now, of course, a quick recap. Farmers are saying that even though the government went public and said that they were committed to boosting agriculture, they are now giving lands that have been allocated to farmers to a new project. A project that is building a new prison on the Jamaican island. Now, 2 students on their way to school in Westmoreland. Students of Petersfield High lost their lives in a collision on the Petersfield main road while traveling on a motorcycle to school. As I say, if you're new to the channel, comment section, subscribe, drop a like. Until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper. And for to stay tuned.